हे गाइस, माय नेम इज़ देव और आज मैं लाया हूँ आपके लिए यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर्स के कुछ क्वेश्चंस। और मैं बता दूँ, यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, क्योंकि इससे आपको पता चलता है कि यूपीएससी के पैटर्न क्या है। ठीक है, ऑलराइट, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Here is the first question, matching list. All right, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes. और इस क्वेश्चंस के लिए आपको मिलेंगे ओनली 10 सेकेंड्स एंड आई विल नॉट से द ऑप्शंस, क्योंकि उससे आपको कन्फ्यूज़न हो सकती है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हियर यू गो। ऑल राइट, आई होप यू हैव डन इट ऑल राइट। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर। आंसर इज ए। एक बार वीडियो को पॉज करके प्लीज़ क्रॉस चेक कर लेना। ठीक है, योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द गवर्नर जनरल हु फॉलोड अ स्पिरिटेड फॉरवर्ड पॉलिसी टुवर्ड्स अफगानिस्तान was, and your time for this question starts now. Option A, Minto. Option B, Diffrin. Option C, Elgin. Or is it option D, Lytton? Your time is up. So let's see what is the right answer. Answer is D, Lytton. Moving quickly, the word Adivasi was used for the first time to refer to the tribal people by whom? And your time for this question starts now. Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. B, Thakkar Bappa. C, Jyotiba Phule. Or is it D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Alright, your time is up. देखते हैं भैया जी इसका आंसर क्या है। आंसर इज बी, थक्कर बप्पा। चलिए बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। ये फिर से लीजिए, आ गया है आपका मैचिंग लिस्ट टाइप का क्वेश्चन और आपके समय शुरू होते हैं अब। इसके ऑप्शंस मैं रीड नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकती है अगर मैं रीड करने लगा तो। ठीक है, एंड योर टाइम इज़ अप। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ द राइट आंसर। आंसर इज कंप्यूटर जी, आंसर इज ए, ऑप्शन ए। ऑलराइट, मूविंग क्विकली, कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग इवेंट्स: इंडिगो रिवोल्ट, सांथाल रेबेलियन, डेक्कन रिवोल्ट एंड म्यूटिनी ऑफ सेपॉयज। एंड अब आपके क्वेश्चन है, द करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल सीक्वेंस ऑफ दिस इवेंट्स इज। कम ऑन फास्ट। आप हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहिए, हम लोग ऐसे ही क्विज सेशन लाते रहेंगे। ओके, एंड योर टाइम इज अप। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर। आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। ओके, मूविंग क्विकली, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट? नील दर्पण was a play based on the exploitation of the farmers. The author of the play, Ghashiram Kotwal, is Vijay Tendulkar. The play Navan by Naveen Chandra Das was based on the famine of Bengal, and the Urdu theatre used to depend heavily on Parsi theatre. You have to say which of the following statement is not correct, and your options are. ये तो आपने क्वेश्चन के समय ही आपने मन में बना लिए होंगे, तो ऑप्शंस के लिए शायद आपको 10 सेकेंड्स ना लगे। फिर भी मैं देता हूँ 10 सेकेंड। ऑलराइट, योर टाइम इज अप। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज आंसर। आंसर इज सी, the play Navan by Naveen Chandra Das was based on the famine of Bengal. That is incorrect statement. Moving quickly, which of the following pair is not correctly matched? India's first Technicolor film, Jhansi Ki Rani. India's first 3D film, My Dear Kutti Chatan. India's first in-short film, Tal. India's first actress to win the Bharat Ratna, Meena Kumari. Please write in the comment section your answers, okay? Alright, your time is up. Let's see what is the right answer. Answer is D. India's first actress to win the Bharat Ratna is Meena Kumari. It's not correct. Moving quickly, under the Permanent Settlement 1893, the Jamindars are required to issue pattas to the farmers, which were not issued by many of the Jamindars. The reason was, the Jamindar were trusted by the farmers. There were no official check upon Jamindars. It was the responsibility of the British government, and the farmers were not interested in getting pattas. Alright, your time is up. Let's see what is the answer. The correct answer is B. There were no official check upon Jamindars. Alright, moving quickly. Consider the following statements again, and your time for this question starts now. I will read it quickly. Arya Samaj was founded in 1835. Lala Lajpat Rai opposed the appeal of Arya Samaj to the authority of Vedas in the support of its social reform program. Under Keshav Chandra Sen, the Brahmo Samaj campaigned for women's education. Vinod Bhabek founded the Sarvodaya Samaj to work among refugees. And for this question, you will get 15 seconds. And yes, your time is up. So let us see what is the right answer. आंसर इज डी, 3 and 4th only. Alright, moving quickly, जल्दी से जल्दी बढ़ते हैं आगे. Which one of the following acts of British India strengthened the Viceroy's authority over his executive council by substituting portfolio or departmental system for corporate functioning? And your time for this question starts now. Your time is up. Let's see what is the right answer. Answer is A, Indian Council Acts of 1861. Alright, जल्दी से पढ़ते हैं. Which of the following mountain tribes did the British first come in contact with after the grant of Diwani in the year of 1765? ये सब बहुत ही डिटेल्ड क्वेश्चन है जो कि आपको मॉडर्न इंडिया हिस्ट्री की जो किताब है जिसका नाम है स्पेक्ट्रम, उसमें आपको मिलते हैं. So let's see what are the options. Options A, Garos. Option B, Khashis. Option C, Cookies. Or is it D, Tipperas? And your time for these questions is finished. The answer is B, Khashis. Moving quickly, who among the following Indian rulers established embassies in foreign countries on modern lines? And your time for this question starts now. Option A, Hyder Ali. Option B, Mir Qasim. Option C, Shah Alam II. Or is it option D, Tipu Sultan? अपने आंसर्स को कमेंट सेक्शन में प्लीज़ पोस्ट कीजिए ताकि हमें पता चले. ऑलराइट, योर टाइम इज़ अप. आंसर इज़ डी, टिपू सुल्तान. एंड हियर इज सम फैक्ट. ओके, established embassies in France, Egypt and Turkey. Alright, moving quickly. Which of the following statement is incorrect? I repeat, it is incorrect. And your options are: Goa attained full statehood in 1987. Diu is an island in the Gulf of Combat. Daman and Diu were separated from Goa by the 56th Constitutional Amendment Act of India. Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under French colonial rule till 1954. Alright, your time for this question ends. Let's see what is the answer. Answer is D. Moving quickly, at times when empires in Europe were crumbling before the might of Napoleon, which one of the following Governor General kept the British flag flying high in India? And your time for this question starts now. Option A, Warren Hastings. Option B, Lord Cornwallis. Option C, Lord Wellesley. Or is it option D, Lord Hastings? Alright, your time is up. Let's see what is the answer. Answer is D, Lord Hastings. The first feature film talkie to be produced in India was, and your time for this question starts now. Option A, Hatim Thai. Option B, Alamara. Option C, Raja Harishchandra. Or is it option D, Pundalik? Your time is up. Let's see what is the answer. Answer is B, Alam Ara. Next question is: the last major extension of British Indian territory took place during the time of, and your time for this question starts now. Option A, Jeffrin. Option B, Dalhousie. Option C, Lytton. Or is it option D, Curzon? Alright, your time is up. देखते हैं इसका आंसर क्या है. आंसर इज बी, डलहाउसी. बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. हाँ, ये सेशन थोड़ा लंबा हो रहा है, आई नो. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सबमिटेड इन 1875 अ पिटिशन टू द हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स डिमांडिंग इंडियाज डायरेक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन इन द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट? Look at the language of this question. UPSC is generally trying to confuse people with its delicate language. And your options are: option A, the Deccan Association, the Indian Association, the Madras Mahajan Sabha, or is it the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha? ये देखिए आपका समय होता है समाप्त. एंड आंसर इज डी, पुणे सार्वजनिक सभा. एंड दिस वाज द एंड ऑफ द सेशन. और लॉन्ग सेशन हो गया थोड़ा. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट, बट आई होप यू गॉट टू लर्न समथिंग, राइट? So please subscribe and like our channel so that we come up with more exciting quizzes of UPSC prelims examinations. Good day and bye-bye.